right when I was starting my shoot, my tripod broke. So the angles are not going to be perfect in this, but it's fine, guys. We will grow as the page grows. Alright, welcome back to my channel. I know I made one video and literally disappeared, but I promise this time I'm going to be consistent with my YouTube videos. I have been consistent on Instagram for the past few months, but here I am. And today I decided to do an earring haul. So obviously I have too many earrings to show in one video, but today I have kept it as small to medium earrings. So I'll be showing you guys what all I've collected throughout these years and where I've gotten these things from. And I'm wearing black so that it's more visible. I'm really hoping it's visible. I think I'll either tie my hair or put it behind. So let's get started. So I am starting off with the first pair of earrings, which is from this exhibition I recently went to called Ghe Bharari. It's this really cute traditional earring that I can wear on saris or any traditional like kurtas or whatever. It's very, very cute. These were a gift that I received from my sister-in-law's mother. They had gone to Kashmir and ये एक पूरा set है. इसकी मेरे पास ring है, same pendant है and ये earrings भी है and ये बहुत बहुत unique earrings है for sure. Next are these silver earrings. This my mother-in-law got for me from an exhibition. Let me just show you guys a close-up, but this is how it looks. These are also real silver. ये भी मेरी mother-in-law मेरे लिए लाई है. I'm not sure exactly कौन से brand का है. So this is the next pair. I got this from FC Road. It's a local street shop over here. Sorry, not a shop. It's street shops, multiple shops here in Pune. And I love these. So look at this. I got this from Malaysia. I really love these. Again, ये अभी तक शायद मैंने पहने ही नहीं है. But so pretty, right? ये भी मैंने मलेशिया से ही लिया है, same store से. Again, very pretty, very lightweight and very like beachy vibes. I love it. This is another pair that I got from Malaysia. I really love these as well. मैं उधर एक local store में गई थी जहाँ पे I wouldn't say local, actually ये काफ़ी fancy store था और मैं वहाँ से 3-4 earrings लेके आई थी. This is so nice. ये मैं बहुत बार पहन चुकी हूँ. This earring is from a brand called Gargi, जो if I'm not wrong TNG का brand है. It is imitation jewelry, but it's really nice and the quality is great. मैं इसको अभी काफ़ी टाइम से पहन रही हूँ. This is how it looks. This I recently got in an exhibition here in Pune. Again, Ghe Bharari में मैं गई थी. ये simple pearl earrings है जो मैंने I think Amazon से मंगाए थे. इसको भी काफ़ी टाइम हो चुका है और इसकी क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी निकली है. Again, I got from Malaysia. ये भी मैंने recently FC Road से लिया है. These earrings I have sourced from Kolkata and they are so pretty. This is I think called Mosaic or something. The stone, sorry, Mona Lisa stone. This next pair, fun fact, is from my own brand called Anahita. I actually in between had stopped selling my earrings. I've taken a pause even right now because it was too much effort for me to keep running that and do my work full time as well. But now that I am doing social media full time, maybe I will get back to it. So this was from my brand Anahita. This is anti-tarnish and it's so pretty. I always get compliments whenever I wear my own brand's jewelry as well. They're also from my own brand. मैं मेरे brand के लिए source करती थी. I'm not a manufacturer of course. तो मैं कोलकाता, जयपुर, दिल्ली and 2-3 और जगहों से source कर चुकी हूँ, even मुंबई. तो I would say मेरा sourcing game काफ़ी strong था. Let me know guys if you would be interested in buying jewelry. This I got from Kolkata as well. Kolkata honestly has such great jewelry. I'm just sad कि मैंने बहुत कुछ नहीं लिया है वहाँ से, but I love these. I got these from Kolkata as well and I love the way that they're shaped. It's a bit unique and I love that it's like the black kind of oxidized jewelry. This is also from the jewelry brand that I used to have. ये again मेरे खुद के brand के है. एंड इसका कलर इतना सुंदर है. दिस इज अगेन फ्रॉम माई ओन ब्रांड. दीज इयररिंग्स आई गॉट फ्रॉम मिंत्रा लाइक अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम अगो. एंड ये एक्चुअली मेरी मम्मी ने ऑर्डर किए थे उनके लिए, बट शी वॉज लाइक इतने बड़े हैं मैं नहीं पहनती हूँ, सो मैंने उनसे चुरा लिए थे ये. दीज आर ऑल्सो फ्रॉम माई ओन ब्रांड. दीज इयररिंग्स आई हैड गॉटन फॉर माई साड़ीज. अगेन दिस इज माई ओन ब्रांड, सो मैं खुद के लिए जो पीसेस मुझे अच्छे लगते थे एक्स्ट्रा रख लेती थी. So this is a pair that I have worn on a sari that I have. 2 years ago I got married, so बहुत सारा मुझे तब ट्रेडिशनल ज्वेलरी की ज़रूरत पड़ी है, and that's when I have kind of kept some of my own pieces for myself. This is also one of them. Again मेरे पास ऐसा exact same कलर का कुर्ता सेट है. ये भी मैं कोलकाता से लाई थी. ये भी बहुत सुंदर है. ये अभी तक मैंने नहीं पहना है. I think उसका एक स्टोन भी गिर गया है, but not, it doesn't make a very big difference. These are those sui dhaga earrings. I have kept one to show you how thin and delicate it is. Like ये दिख भी रहा है क्या कैमरा पे, I'm not sure, but it is so pretty. My only complaint with this is that ऐसा कुछ लगता ही नहीं है कि मैंने कान में कुछ पहना है अगर मेरे बाल खुले हैं तो. But I really like these. They're so डेलिकेट एंड सो यूनिक. ये मुझे नहीं कहीं मिला है इंडिया में. ये मैं बाली से लाई थी when I had gone there for my honeymoon. These are again from my own brand to show you guys just how cute they are. It's this really pretty peach color और ये ब्रास से बना है, सो ये कानों को इरिटेट भी नहीं करता है. ओके गाइज, आई एम श्योर अभी आप लोग भी थक गए रहोगे मेरे इयररिंग्स देख के, बट मेरे पास बहुत सारे इयररिंग्स हैं. ये एक ही पार्ट में मैं इतना ही डालना चाहती हूँ. आई थिंक बहुत ओवरवेलम हो जाएंगे लोग मेरी बड़बड़ सुन के. आई विल सी यू गाइज इन द नेक्स्ट वन. इफ यू रियली एंजॉयड दिस, प्लीज लेट मी नो दैट यू एंजॉयड इट by commenting down below, liking the video, sharing it with people who love earrings as well, and I will see you in the next one.